Credit Karma doesn't update your credit score in real time because it pulls data from TransUnion and Equifax at different refresh intervals instead of directly from your bank or credit card accounts. By the end of this, you'll know how often Credit Karma typically refreshes, why your score can look stuck, and what actually triggers an update. Start with the key detail most people miss. Credit Karma updates only when the credit bureaus report new information. That means if your bank or credit card company hasn't sent new data yet, nothing changes in the app even if you just made a payment. In most cases, updates happen when the bureaus receive monthly account activity. That includes credit card balances, payments, new accounts, or changes in credit limits. If none of those things are reported, your score can stay the same for days or even weeks. The timing also depends on your individual lenders. Some banks report once a month on a fixed schedule, while others update later in the billing cycle. That's why two people can make payments on the same day, but see updates at completely different times. If your Credit Karma score looks frozen, it usually isn't an error. It often means your credit accounts haven't reported anything new yet. The app can only show what the bureaus send it. Another reason for delayed updates is timing between TransUnion and Equifax. Credit Karma shows both, but they don't always update on the same day. One bureau might refresh while the other stays unchanged, which makes it look inconsistent. If you recently paid off a balance or opened a new account, give it time to show up. Credit reporting cycles are not instant, and changes often appear after the lender's reporting date, not the payment date. You can also force a refresh inside Credit Karma by pulling down on the dashboard, but that only reloads data that already exists. It doesn't speed up the bureau reporting process. The key things to remember are simple. Credit Karma updates only after lenders report to the bureaus. Most changes follow monthly reporting cycles. And delays are usually normal, not a technical issue. Next time your score doesn't change, check your recent account activity instead of assuming something is wrong with the app. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple explanations of credit and finance apps.